Hey everyone, my name is DIY Danie, and today I'm going to be sharing my secret to taking a functional home office completely mobile. So whether you work from the office or the couch or the kitchen table or maybe even a bed, let's all make the most of our home by staying productive and organized. Let me begin by saying that I am one of those lucky people that has a dedicated office space in my home. Being someone who works full-time from my humble abode, having a dedicated work area that kind of felt spacious was really necessary for me. In my office space, I added 2 natural wood tabletops that run the length of the wall. Each tabletop sits on top of 2 white drawer units. This setup was perfect for an office of 2, and the drawers provided personal and shared clothes storage. Above each desk, I mounted 2 dedicated shelves that served as a place to add a few fun decorative pieces, as well as additional storage like other loose business-related items. I gotta say, I do love this office so much. However, since being in isolation, my partner, who usually goes to work every day, has been home full-time in this office with me, and it's been great. So great. No, but seriously, this office actually is made for 2 people, but it took about a week. And then I found myself moving my office to the living room, kind of looking for some personal space, you know, so that I could do some business calls. Girl just needed some space. And then what was a few couch and kitchen table visits eventually evolved into me turning my living room into another fully functioning office space, full time. I realized this wasn't a sustainable way to live or work, so I had to come up with a solution, and that was the mobile office cart. This cart is decked out with a bunch of must-have office essentials. Starting with the utility cart, the goal was to use something on wheels to keep my office completely mobile. Next, I added this desk organizer that is great for keeping all my big and small stationery items in one easy-to-grab place. I use these small jars inside to further organize pens and coloring pencils neatly. I also use this to hold my notebooks and sketchbooks and just computer and office accessories. The handle makes it super easy to move these everyday use items onto a desk or a couch for easy reaching, and then put it back when you're finished. I love this item. Having a dedicated place for my headphones and tablet is so handy to keep these items easily accessible. Before this stand, I was constantly throwing my headphones around or leaving them in weird places. This provided me a place to put them and caused less damage to them in the long run. I mean, the stand was also kinda great for holding a secondary screen when I wanted to do a little entertainment on the side. What? No, you're binging YouTube videos when you shouldn't be. Of course, we can't have a workspace without a good work light, and I love a direct light when I'm working, so adding this LED clamp spotlight was a great solution in a pinch and provided any space in my home with a little more light. If you're like me, your electronics come with a lot of loose cords. I took a simple traveling hack and adopted this by adding in this accessory bag to keep all my loose cords in one handy space. I'm a DIY gal, so naturally I'm always whipping up new ideas at my desk. So on the second tier of this cart, I added this large wire basket where I keep all my loose DIY materials. I also added a small container that holds my sketching markers. I'm always using these markers to brainstorm new ideas, so having them at arm's length but out of the way was ideal. And on the last tier, I have this large storage box which holds loose items such as inspirational magazines or loose paper items. It's a good place for that stuff that just creates the look of clutter around an office. And the best part about this cart, when I'm done working for the day, all of my office items are neatly tucked away into the corner so that my living room can become a living room once again. So there you have it, my secret to creating a functional home office, no matter which room you like to work in. Thanks so much for watching. All of the items are linked in the description box, so go check it out and have fun creating your own DIY mobile office. Stay positive, stay healthy, and stay productive. Bye-bye.